that fleeing vehicle.
Copy, notify FHP 1346.
If it turned on the Texas Parkway, notify the
Okay, we are coming up to the first main intersection. I do believe that is Beltier. We are a quarter mile west of Beltier. I'll let you know if he goes through or turns.
Firefly, if you see tires starting to deflate, just give us that update.
Okay, I've got smoke coming out of the, looks like they're starting to lose tires there. Went through Belterre, we're still straight. Okay, as soon as you pass Belterre, we've got car bail out on, we've got, hold on a second, driver is, looks like a black male brown hoodie. We got two more suspects. Driver is going to the, alright, I'm on top of him. He's not going anywhere. Hold on a second. Okay, we got all three. We're able to keep up. I do construction. And we'll be coming up to Kansas.
Is it in front of that semi or behind it?
Sorry, 214 and 5 here. I got South 6 just north of the roundabout.
Off the radio. Is it in front of the semi or behind it?
Alright, units, straight off radio perspective here. We're engaging traffic.
Buck, get off the radio! Off the radio! Stick hit, all four tires!
The spikes blew their tires, and soon after, the suspects abandoned the car and ran into the neighborhood.
Come on down, come on down, come on down. Get ready to turn left. You're going to see some a flag on the side right there. Stop, 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 stop. Okay, two people out here in the middle of the road over here, just to the north of where the deputies are. We got two guys in a silver car chasing them.
I don't know, I don't see the flag.
He's got a flag. I thought it was working from the house. Two guys, right? That's the fish pole area right here on the pole there. I don't see any weapons. Moving to the back corner. Set up for some house.
What flag is he talking about?
Okay, he's out there in front of that building right there to do that. There's another one right in there somewhere.
I think he stopped us too far.
Give me one up, give me one up. Yeah, right there, show me your fucking ass! Show me your ass!
He's going that way!
He's going your way, going your way!
Heading right here. Stop! Heading towards Veteran Street.
Okay, he's out there in front of that building right there in the trap. There's another one right in there somewhere.
Right there. What street is this? What street?
Come to the back. This guy's coming right to you. That guy on the ground right there, he's right there to you, to your right. That's the guy. There you go, there's the dude. That's why I thought this coming
Get on the ground right now! Get on the ground! Sprawl out, hands out! Hands out! Get on the fucking ground! Get on the fucking ground! Hands out! Hands out! Hands out! Don't fucking move! Hold off! Don't fucking move! You good? Just like that. I'm fine. Okay, I'm on my man.
I'm just securing
Copy 2 secure 900. Okay, for 5.
Firefly, last known location.
I'm sorry, officer.
1 out 10.
Alright, so hold in there. Whoever was in the gray SUV came in. I was yelling at them to stop there. Where they stopped their vehicle, it was about a block behind them. It was a wooded area behind a greenhouse. Then they all moved to the east from that position. I saw the 3 of them together. There was a unit out there, right where I was yelling to stop there, where that flag is on the road. I think right in that area is the last time I saw the 3 together.
Sit up.
Do you have an inscription on the one outstanding?
Long way from the Corvette now. So the third person is from 5 minutes. I'm going to say just east of that bailout area is where I last saw them together.
Alright, good. Canine coming out.
Ready?
One suspect was still hiding somewhere in the neighborhood. Deputies set up a perimeter and called in a K-9 team, using the dog to search yards and back alleys until they closed in on his location.
Right where you see 7407. That's the last area, that empty lot, and that corner lot that all 3 were seen together. Concentrate on
Yeah, the wooded lot by the street there.
Yeah.
I think they were at, I think they're at the passenger side of the Jeep. That's where they were last seen. piece of clothing right here.
What?
Piece of clothing right here.
Yeah. We got clothing right here.
Here.
We got his mask.
Go. Alright, here. Clothing and a mask. Watch out for the mask. Okay, see it?
Yeah, and we got a silver sweatshirt.
See it?
Yep.
Oh, see?
Right there. What's that? Yeah, I'm coming.
Back to work. Show me your hands now! Show me
Let me see your hands!
hands up! Hands up! Show me your hands now! If you move, you're gonna get bit!
Do you understand? Can you get to him?
You run, you're gonna get bit!
Hey, I want you to come out towards me.
Come out towards you.
Yep, stand up, hands up, hands in the air.
Can you grab my hair?
Stand up with your hands in the air. Watch out, there's a bunch of thorns right here.
Pull me up.
When you come out, you go straight down on your stomach.
Yes, sir.
Stand up, put your feet under you.
I'm trying to.
Here we go.
All right, last one secured. Great job.
Copy. Last one secured.